Forget those expensive gyms and those useless supplements. The fitness industry wants you to believe you need all that crap to build muscle. But the truth is, you can get absolutely ripped with just your own body weight and a couple of cheap pieces of equipment. I'm gonna show you how. If you're ready to break your limits and sculpt the physique you've always dreamed of, then Bulk Up Bro is your channel. Let's get one thing clear. Building muscle isn't about how much money you spend on fancy equipment or supplements. It's about consistency, hard work, and the right approach. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it with minimal equipment. The power of body weight training. We're going to tap into the incredible power of body weight training. You see, your own body weight is a fantastic tool for building muscle. It's incredibly versatile, allowing you to target various muscle groups and achieve a full body workout with zero equipment. We'll start with classic exercises like push-ups, squats, and lunges. These foundational movements engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, maximizing muscle activation and growth. Next, we'll explore variations of these exercises to challenge different muscle groups. Think decline push-ups to target your upper chest and shoulder muscles, or Bulgarian split squats to focus on your quads and glutes. And don't underestimate the power of plyometrics. Exercises like jump squats and plyometric push-ups add an explosive element to your workout, further increasing muscle activation and calorie burn. Maximizing minimal equipment. Alright, now let's talk about getting the most out of the minimal equipment we're using. I want to focus on two key pieces that are absolute game changers. First up, resistance bands. These things are incredibly versatile. They add resistance to your workouts, making your muscles work harder and grow faster. We'll be doing some awesome exercises with these, like banded squats to really fire up those legs and glutes, banded rows to build a powerful back, and banded lateral walks to carve out those core muscles. The second piece of equipment you'll want to grab is a pull-up bar. Seriously, this is one of the best investments you can make for your upper body. With a pull-up bar, you can unlock a ton of different exercises. We'll be doing classic pull-ups, chin-ups to really blast those biceps, and wide grip pull-ups to build that wide, powerful back. Trust me, these exercises are going to transform your upper body. Structuring your minimalist workout. Okay, now let's put everything together into a killer workout routine that you can do anywhere. Remember, we're keeping it simple and effective. Here's a sample full body workout using just your body weight and those resistance bands and pull-up bar. First things first, always warm up. Do 5 minutes of light cardio, like jogging in place or jumping jacks, followed by some dynamic stretches to get those muscles loose and ready to work. Now for the fun part. We'll start with some classic push-ups. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Then we'll hit those legs with some squats. Again, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Next up, lunges. We'll do 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps per leg. To really challenge those quads and glutes, we'll move on to Bulgarian split squats, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps per leg. Let's go back to the upper body and hit those chest and shoulders with decline push-ups, 3 sets of 8 to 12. Time to get explosive. We'll do 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps of jump squats. Then, let's fire up those chest and triceps with some plyometric push-ups, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Now, let's grab those resistance bands. We'll do 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps of banded squats, followed by banded rows for that back, 3 sets of 8 to 12. And to really work those core muscles, we'll finish off the resistance band work with banded lateral walks, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps per leg. Finally, let's head over to the pull-up bar. We'll do 3 sets of pull-ups until failure, then 3 sets of chin-ups until failure, and finish off with 3 sets of wide grip pull-ups until failure. Don't forget to cool down with 5 minutes of static stretching. Hold each stretch for about 30 seconds. And remember, consistency is key. Aim for 3 to 4 workouts per week, and as you get stronger, you can gradually increase the intensity or resistance. You got this. Building muscle on a budget is entirely possible. By focusing on body weight training, maximizing minimal equipment, and following a consistent routine, you can achieve your fitness goals without breaking the bank. Remember, it's not about the equipment you have, but how you use it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more minimalist muscle building tips. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. If you love this video, you'll probably like the next one.